How to split photos for Instagram grid. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel App Guide. In this video, we're going to learn how we can split photos to create an Instagram grid. So let's just start with today's video. To split photos for Instagram grid, it's a very simple process. You might want to create a different type of grids. Let's say you want to create a seamless carousel post on Instagram, or you want to create a grid for your profile that looks like this, or anything as such. To do that, what we do is we actually go ahead and then just launch this app called Grid Maker for Instagram. It is available on both Play Store and App Store, so you can search any Grid Maker app. I'm just choosing this one over here. When I've done this, I'm going to open this up. It's a free app, so unfortunately you might have to deal with a little bit of ad over here, and I'll just close this right here. Now choose the type of grid. You want a grid maker or a panorama or a collage or whatever type of grid it is. I will select a grid maker, where I can just choose one image, and that one image can be converted into multiple images. So I'll just go ahead and select that. So you can see it will create 6 grids, but I can create more grids like this as well, depending on how much you want to create. Once then, you can hit the arrow button, save the changes. And again, it's a free app. A little bit of ad is going to pop up, and you can post them one by one based on the order that you want to post on your Instagram profile. And this way you can split photos for Instagram grid. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.